Darling, I'm writing you this letter to tell you I'm sad and blue. I've got those teenage blues, you're on my mind it seems. I think of you all day, you always in my dreams. Please play, give me a chance. Oh, I know this is romance. I wish you understand and give me a chance. One more chance. Somehow I never realized I loved you so much, but now I really idolize the one your lips will touch. My teenage love, why did we part? I'm back to me and my broken heart. I'm so unhappy. I've got those teenage blues, teenage blues. My darling, these words come from the deepest part of my heart. I love you so